So now we are going to get started with making the butterscotch buttercream. I have the Ermine buttercream made and ready here, and that's the butterscotch sauce that's been resting overnight in the refrigerator. So this is the thickness. It's like quite stable from the fridge, and it's been thawing down for about an hour from the refrigerator. So that's how it is going to be, and we could let it thaw like for further more time and then soften it up with a spoon to be added into the buttercream. But however, like it's been an hour, and if we have to make the butterscotch buttercream, we could just go ahead and then microwave for just 10 seconds, because we don't want to catch up heat on this. It is still cold, and we would prefer it being cold to be added into the buttercream so the butter doesn't melt in the buttercream. So I'm just going to go ahead and then microwave this for about 10 seconds and then get back to show you how it looks, after which we will continue adding this into the buttercream and then make our butterscotch buttercream. So I've microwaved this for about 10 seconds first, and then it was still thick, and then went ahead to microwave for another 10 seconds. So it's like 20 seconds, but then the sauce is not warm. It is still cold. It's just the consistency has changed. Now into the same bowl where the buttercream was done, I'm just going to fit the paddle attachment. And so that I'm just going to start with, say about, so this depends on the flavor or how deep the sauce, the caramelization of the brown sugar was done. I'm just going to, it should be about like 1.5 tablespoons. I'm just going to beat and then check if the flavor is right there. Just beat until the sauce is completely blended. I like this color, and we just can go ahead, take a teaspoon of it to taste it and check if the butterscotch flavor is good. I'm just going to remove the excess from the beater blade. Also, I will be adding the butterscotch sauce also directly in the layering. So if the buttercream flavor, the butterscotch flavor in the buttercream, if it is going to be even quite subtle, and that could be increased by adding the butterscotch sauce directly in the filling, with one layer of the buttercream and then with a drizzle of the butterscotch sauce in the filling. So this I'm just going to transfer into piping bag, and there we have our butterscotch buttercream, and that will be used to layer our butterscotch cake. I'll get back in that lesson after I transfer the butterscotch buttercream and also the butterscotch sauce, both in piping bags and with rest of the other elements. I'll catch you up in the next lesson.